Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Intel Core i9-3900K Raptor Lake CPU pre-launch review shows strong multi-threaded performance, 10% gaming improvement, and higher power draw. The i9-3900K won't be launching till next month, but enthusiast Citizen has managed to post a full review of the flagship Raptor Lake CPU. I have already seen a ton of Intel Core i9-3900K and other Raptor Lake CPU benchmarks from various leaks, and there's nothing that I don't know already. However, the review from ESCM has been a collaboration with Wan Raichu, one of the most prominent leakers on Twitter, who has been super accurate with this report. Enthusiast Citizen himself has been spot on with his information regarding various upcoming CPUs. So first up, the specifications. The Core i9-3900K is the flagship Raptor Lake CPU featuring 24 cores and 32 threads in an 8P core Raptor Cope core and 16E core, which is Gracemont core configuration. The CPU is configured at a base clock of 3 GHz and a single core boost clock of 5.8 GHz, 1 to 2 cores, and an all core boost clock of 5.5 GHz, all 8 P cores. The CPU features 68 MB of combined cache and 125 watt PL1 rating that goes up to 250 watt. The CPU can also consume up to 350 watt of power when using the unlimited power mode. The motherboards were tested with DDR5 6000 CL30 and also DDR4 3600 CL17 memory kits, along with a Radeon RX 6900 XT XH graphics card. An NZXT Kraken X73 AIO cooler was used in this CPU. The CPU cannot support native memory speeds of up to DDR5 5600, while Alder Lake only supports a native JEDEC speeds of DDR5 4800. The testing was split into two parts, with Wan Raichu evaluating the memory bandwidth and cache performance between Core i9-3900K and the Alder Lake Core i9-12900K, while Enthusiast Citizen ran the standard single-core, multi-core, and gaming application tests. First up, the latency benchmarks, and Wan Raichu shows how the new ring bus design that comes with a boosted frequency, allowing all P cores and E cores to achieve uniform latency and not drop to a lower frequency, resulting in higher latencies, as I saw in the Elder Lake CPUs. While the IPC of the P core doesn't see a big boost as detailed here, the overall frequency and cache uplift allows for higher overall single-threaded performance. Compared to Elder Lake, the Raptor Lake Core i9-3900K achieves a 12.5% single-threaded performance increase. The Gracemont E cores do receive a small upstick in IPC performance of around 6%, and then the addition of more E cores on the 3900K means that you can see some big multi-threaded performance increases. The 13th gen flagship sees an average 42% performance uplift over the previous generation, which is a big jump. There are also a range of games tested by the outlet, and it looks like games that are dependent on CPU performance will see a decent boost, averaging around 10%, while the FPS does increase. The main improvement comes in the 0.1% loss, which is thanks to the increased L2 and L3 cache sizes on the 13th gen Raptor Lake CPUs. I've already seen how a higher amount of cache helps within games on the Ryzen 7 5800X3D from AMD. But all of this comes at the cost of higher power. While the Intel Core i9-3900K consume 253 watt at load within AIDA64's FPU test, unlocking the unlimited power mode makes Raptor Lake heat up to 343 watt. Now, this is a stress test, and real-world power usage in games and applications will vary, but those numbers will be shared later by Enthusiast Citizen. It remains to be seen whether this much performance increase would be enough for Intel to tackle AMD's Ryzen 7000 CPUs, which have also boosted the single and multi-threaded performance in a big way. Well, I have to wait till the dust settles by 20th of October next month. So that's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.
To change your